How to see who viewed my Instagram video. If you want to see who viewed your Instagram video, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and then you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and here on your feed you can simply choose a video, any video that you have posted. And under your video, if you simply go and tap on your video, here you will have insights, so you can simply tap on view insights, and from here you can see that the average watch time and the watch time and likes, comments, share, save. You can see all of the view count, right? So under this reel insights, you can simply have the count, but we don't have an option to view the person's ID. So that's it, you can only view the count and not the person who viewed your video. And that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.